Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm so excited because we're doing a full glam, like lashes, eyeshadow, lipstick, everything. So today we are doing a prom makeup. One thing though, I've never been to prom. I've never had prom. I grew up in Spain. Prom is not like a big thing in Spain. So this is the makeup look that I would do if I had prom. My skincare is done. Now we have to put on primer. I'm using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Okay, after applying primer, I'm going to grab some tape. I use this tape dispenser because you do this and boom, the piece of tape is ready for you. But the tape is basically gonna help the eyeshadow look nice and sharp. If you don't have tape or you don't want to use tape, that's totally fine. You can always clean it up with some micellar water. Let's start with concealer, and I'm gonna put concealer on my eyelids just to hide my little veins that I have up there. Oh, this tape is annoying. You know what, I'm gonna remove the tape. I'm gonna grab my Rare Beauty concealer brush and blend it all out. Now for the fun part, we're gonna do eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go all out for the eyeshadow. I'm not gonna do anything clean, girl. No. I'm gonna grab the Socialite W7 palette. It has all the neutrals that I need except black. They could have added a black eyeshadow. I'm gonna start with like a beige color like this one and apply it all over my eyelids. Grab a brown shade like this one, and this one's called Worldly. And I'm gonna focus mainly on the top of my eyelid here, on the arc. I'm gonna grab a even darker brown, which is polished, this one right here, and I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Now I'm gonna grab the Tropic Hot palette from W7 as well because it has this nice shimmery brown and the black eyeshadow that I need. I'm gonna grab the brown and apply it at the end of my eye only. If you have a cleaner brush, grab a cleaner brush. I don't have one. Or maybe I do, let me check. Okay, I do. If it's fluffy, better. And you're gonna go ahead and blend that brown that we just did outwards like this. So moving on to another palette, we're using the Glam Adventure Time palette, mainly because I need this really dark brown color. So I'm gonna grab that dark brown with that clean brush. It's really pigmented, look at that, just by doing this. And I'm only gonna apply at the end of my eye, like right here. And I'm gonna get really close to my lash line. Do not take that brown inwards, okay? Leave it out here and get close to your lash lines. That way your lashes look fuller. And I'm just cleaning up the brush a bit so we can blend outwards like this. Back to the Tropic Hot palette, we're gonna grab the black eyeshadow. And for this part, I'd rather you use a flat brush like this one, not a fluffy one. Grab a little bit of that black color. Don't go overboard because we're gonna build it up just so we don't ruin the makeup look. And you're gonna do like a wing liner, but with black eyeshadow. I don't know if that makes any sense. You're gonna get really close to your lash line and start applying the black eyeshadow. And now we're gonna clean it up. You can use a Q-tip and micellar water, and you just drag it like this and make it nice and sharp. Or you can use a concealer, which is what we're gonna do now because we have to apply concealer anyways. Grab my go-to concealer, which is this one from NARS. And I'm gonna draw a line like this. Bam. Like that. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. You see? And you see we already cleaned the eyeshadow down here, but you're not gonna apply concealer here yet, okay? Not yet. And then you grab your concealer brush and you blend it and blend upwards like this. You see now how nice and clean and sharp it is. And the reason why I told you to not apply concealer yet is because we're applying foundation now. Go ahead and grab your go-to foundation and you basically apply it all over your face. I will be using the Dior foundation stick to cover up anything that I want to cover up. Now I'm gonna grab the foundation stick from Dior and I'm gonna apply on my cheeks because it's where I have some of my acne scars. This is just gonna help with like that extra coverage. Now I'm gonna grab concealer and I'm gonna apply it under my eyes. Now let's move on to cream products. cream bronzer. I'm gonna use the Rare Beauty bronzer stick, and I'm gonna apply it under my cheekbone right here, on my forehead like this, and we blend. Now we're gonna apply cream blush, and my favorite one is Makeup by Mario in the shade Watermelon. I'm gonna grab my brush and apply it this way. I like applying it this way so my blush doesn't look patchy. Now it's time to set the face, and I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty powder. This one is amazing. I always start with my under eyes first because that's where I crease the most. I'm gonna do the same with bronzer. You're gonna grab a powder bronzer. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush bronzer, and you're basically gonna apply it where you applied the cream bronzer. Now you're gonna grab your favorite powder highlighter, Revolution in the shade Dare to Divulge. That's a really long name for a shade. And the main areas where I like to apply highlighter are on the cheeks here. And this is a nice highlighter, but it's not strong enough for me. So I like to apply it as a base and then apply a stronger one on the top because I love a lot of highlighter. And now I'm gonna grab that stronger highlighter, which is from Flower Nose in the shade 103 Chanting Anthem. Look how pretty this is. And I'm gonna apply on top of where I applied before. Like, ooh la la. Okay, I'm back. I was just having some dinner and I got cold, so I'm wearing my pink robe on. So we're not finished with the eyes though, okay? We're not finished. And if you know how to do an eyeliner, we're gonna do an eyeliner. If you don't know how to do an eyeliner, I would just suggest that you leave this makeup like this, apply mascara or fake lashes, and it's gonna look just as good. But if you know how to do an eyeliner, girl, grab your eyeliner. Okay, the eyeliner is done. I did a pretty simple and short wing. And now the fun part, we're applying lashes. Now you can apply long lashes, dramatic lashes, short lashes, individual lashes, but I'm going for the dramatic lashes. I think these are the most dramatic ones that I have. And they're from P. Louise. And the trick to apply the lashes really fast and really well is to grab a mirror, look down, and apply like this, not like straight up. No, look down, girl, trust me. I'm finally done with my lashes. I forgot how much I hate applying fake lashes on because the glue is messy. It's just really annoying to wear fake eyelashes. I love lash extensions though. Now I'm gonna grab a black eyeliner. Blend your fake lashes with your natural lashes. You have to apply a little bit of mascara, so I'm gonna use this mascara and I'm gonna blend them together. I didn't do my brows because I feel like my brows look pretty decent. Lips, I'm gonna go ahead and use a brown tone like this one. This is a really old lip liner, so sorry, I don't know the brand. And I'm gonna outline my lips. This is the only gloss that I have right here, so I'm gonna use this one from Dora. And that concludes the makeup for prom. I really like it and it wasn't that hard to do. What really helped this makeup look, I think it's the lashes. Yeah, let me know what you think of this makeup look. But guys, we're not done here. Can't forget to apply setting spray. I'm gonna use the Max Fix It Matte this one from MAC. This sprays a lot, so I just apply a little bit. But yeah, here's the close-up of the makeup. Yeah, I really hope you guys liked today's video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more fun makeup videos. If you have any other makeup requests, please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched the whole thing, I will see you guys next time. Bye!